Space continues to be a source of astonishing discoveries for humanity, with each new event capable of reshaping our understanding of the universe. Just recently, the world was gripped by alarming news of a mysterious object that suddenly appeared on astronomers' radars, registered under the dry technical designation CE2XZW2. Preliminary calculations by scientists indicated an incredibly close approach of this object to Earth, with some models even suggesting a probability of direct impact. Researcher Nikolai Zheleznov from the Institute of Applied Astronomy of the Russian Academy of Sciences presented data suggesting the celestial wanderer was about 20 meters in diameter, comparable to the height of a modern, 7-story building. His forecasts sounded ominous. The orbital trajectory of CE2XZW2 passed a mere 3,000 kilometers from our planet's center, which formally meant a potential intersection with Earth's atmosphere. Were this to happen, the object likely would not have reached the surface intact but would have exploded in the dense, atmospheric layers, creating a bright flash and possibly leaving behind only a trail of small fragments, to fall somewhere across the planet's vast, sparsely populated expanses. However, as soon as this data became public, skeptical voices arose within the scientific community. Specialists from the Solar Astronomy Laboratory at the Space Research Institute of the Russian Academy of Sciences officially stated that information about an inevitable asteroid impact was unreliable and lacked sufficient observational evidence, and this skepticism proved to be justified in the most remarkable way. Soon, an official clarification followed from the most authoritative institution in such matters, the Minor Planets Center of the International Astronomical Union. The center's specialists conducted a thorough analysis of the trajectory and characteristics of the mysterious CE2XZW2 and came to a sensational conclusion. This object was never a new asteroid threatening Earth. It turned out that a rare identification error had occurred in the observation data. What tracking systems had mistaken for an unknown near-Earth asteroid was, in fact, an already discovered and cataloged interstellar comet named 3I Atlas. This comet is a rare and extremely interesting visitor to our solar system, as it arrived from the depths of interstellar space, from beyond the gravitational influence of our Sun. It had already passed its point of closest approach to Earth, and was now calmly moving away from our planet, posing absolutely no danger. But while the threat of collision was safely averted, the most fascinating part of this interstellar traveler's story was just beginning. Scientists worldwide are eagerly awaiting January 22nd, when a rare and incredibly valuable astronomical event for science will occur. On this day, Earth will occupy a special position in space, finding itself almost in a straight line between the Sun and comet 3I Atlas. This configuration, where a celestial body is positioned almost directly opposite the Sun from an Earth observer's perspective, is called opposition, and for comets, this is an especially significant moment. In this alignment, the comet becomes maximally illuminated by sunlight, causing a sharp increase in its apparent brightness. For astronomers, this outburst is not just a beautiful sight but a priceless scientific gift. The intense illumination allows for detailed study of the composition of the comet, the gas and dust envelope around the comet's nucleus, and analysis of the structure of its tail, which stretches for millions of kilometers under the pressure of the solar wind. Since 3I Atlas is an interstellar object, analyzing its substance will give humanity its first opportunity to directly, albeit remotely, study material formed in another star system. This will allow for conclusions about the composition of protoplanetary disks around other stars and, perhaps, an understanding of how unique or, conversely, typical the conditions that led to the formation of our own solar system are. Interestingly, this same day, January 22nd, will delight observers with another beautiful phenomenon. A close parade of inner planets, Mercury, Venus, and Mars will converge in a very narrow sector of the sky, forming a compact and bright triangle, which in itself will become a wonderful target for observation and photography. But for science, the main event of January will undoubtedly remain the visitor comet. Following this unique moment, Comet 3I Atlas will continue its solitary journey through our planetary system. Its trajectory now leads toward the outer planets. As early as March 16th of this year, it will pass at a distance of approximately 53.6 million kilometers from the giant Jupiter. The gravity of the king of planets will undoubtedly adjust the path of the interstellar guest, after which it will forever leave the confines of the solar system, and once again dissolve into the dark, cold interstellar space, carrying its secrets away and leaving terrestrial scientists with terabytes of priceless data. 4 years of research, thus, A story that began with a false alarm about a potential apocalypse transformed into a narrative of extraordinary scientific fortune. It vividly demonstrates how modern astronomy, built on international collaboration and cross-verification of data, is capable not only of preventing panic but also of using any signal, even an erroneous one, to look deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. Once again, space has taught us a lesson. Often behind an apparent threat lies a rare opportunity for knowledge. Our task is to remain vigilant, curious, and open to the wonders that arrive from the depths of the universe.